In this video, you will learn how to convert positive numbers into negative number in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have converted these positive numbers into negative one in Microsoft Excel. I will explain two easy methods. In first method, I will convert these original number into negative numbers, and in second method, I will convert these original numbers in a separate column into negative numbers. So let's start this tutorial. Firstly, select any cell. You can see here I have selected this cell, write -1, press enter, again select this cell, right click and copy this one. Now select the number. I want to convert all these numbers, so I will select all these numbers through dragging option. After doing that, place your cursor here, right click, and here you will find the option of paste special. Now click on this arrow sign, and at the bottom you will find the option of paste special. Click on this option. Now in paste option you will find the option of all except borders. Select this one. Now in operations, select multiply. After doing that, click on OK. And now you can see here the positive numbers are changed into negative numbers. Now you will learn second method. For example, I want to convert these one into negative values in a separate column. Firstly, select any cell where you want to display the result. For example, I want to display the result here in this column. Now put equal sign. Select first cell, then enter the multiplication sign and write -1. Now you can see here I have selected first cell, then multiplication sign, and after that I have written -1. After doing that, press enter, and this positive number is now converted into negative number. Again select this cell, and there is no need to repeat this procedure for individual rows. Simply select this one, place your cursor here. When plus sign appear, through dragging option, select the remaining rows. Now you can see here Excel has converted all these numbers into -1. So by doing so, you can easily convert positive numbers into negative numbers. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.